Hello guys, alright, if you are getting the error number 1273 unknown collation for any type of collation here, you can do resolve this problem very easily. What you can do, just open your SQL file in a text editor or a code editor, the best for searching. I will open it with Visual Studio Code. Here you can Ctrl plus F and search for it, alright, and then remove it. Let database select its default collation, because this problem is the reason of this problem is that where you are exporting database from, its collation is different than the supported collation in your current database. Understand? So this is the only problem. You can easily resolve it by removing this from create table, create database tables. Done. There is no more result. SQL file is 2. We'll start it again. Let's delete all tables already have been exported. Imported. I'll drop. Go to import. Select file. Start import. Done. That's it. Alright. Thank you.